G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing, October 25th, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update, weekly, daily and hourly. You can see there longer term on the weekly we've broken up into a bullish momentum and somewhat on the daily as well, although there's weakening signs, especially on the CCI 150 and also on the hourly, they're both bearish. So if we drill down to each of these, our CCI 150 on the weekly, you can see that it's broken up and retraced back and it's bounced down from that 50% level on the weekly, and it's currently just consolidating in this little flag or triangular range in the last couple of weeks. On the daily, you can see there it bounced off that resistance, that hard resistance at 94.30, and we've set a minor resistance there at 89.77 and a minor support at 82.80. So I'll go drill down into the hourly in a second, and there's also a hard support at 80.74. So it's currently consolidating in that range, as I said, but you'll notice on the CCI, the 400 is still somewhat bullish, but it's breaking down, in particular with the CCI 150, which is primarily our divergence indicator. You can see there was a bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price, and it broke down, hit our target. There was a bullish divergence there back, and it went versus the price and hit our target. And this is primarily our trend indicator. So still primarily bullish, I would say, but this is weakening, and we'd like to see that break above the moving averages to be more positive and bullish. On the hourly, a lot more bearish signals shown. Now just zooming out a bit, you can see here on this Fibonacci range, the prices come down and bounced off that 61% level. And I always say that 61% level is a key area. And if it breaks above that, generally continues in the momentum it goes in. In this case, it's bounced down from that 61% level, and it's showing some signs of weakness. On our last video, it paused on that 50% level, and then eventually when it did break below the 61%, you can see there, pretty dramatic fall below 61%, and now it's currently resting on that minor support at 82.80, as we said. There's no sign of a divergence on the CCIs. They're both bearish. The trend indicator is showing a pretty strong bearish signal, and likewise the divergence indicator is showing a bearish signal. We did have a few bearish divergence back here, hit our targets, but currently no bullish divergence to talk of. There might be a slight support, as I said, but there's no divergence to talk of, but it could be a slight support, and it might have a bit of a retrace, but if it breaks below that support, this will be the next level of support to measure. So at the moment, fairly bearish in the short term, but somewhat bullish in the longer term. So just be mindful of going long until we see these hourly at least start breaking to the upside. And by that stage, we should see this CCI 150 also break to the upside as well, to be more confident about going long. So if you got value out of the video, hit that subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.